along. Okay, so if y'all been watching my snap, y'all know that today is November the 10th. And it's your girl's birthday. And I just want to get into these little gifts that I got. I'm doing it for the channel. So if you're not following my channel on Facebook, wait, not Facebook, YouTube, or you're not following me on TikTok, go ahead and do that now, please and thank you. I'm going to put my TikTok and my Facebook. Well, I keep saying Facebook. I'm gonna put my TikTok and my YouTube on the screen, so please follow me. It's my birthday. This is the least you can do. Please follow me. Yes, I'm begging. But anyway, let's get into these gifts though. Okay. I know like some of y'all be looking forward to the videos. And I'm sorry. I know I've been taking breaks in between and y'all probably like where I'm at. But y'all be so busy. And I be trying to be consistent with y'all, but it's not working. Obviously, but check out this hairline. Hairline always be on fleek. Don't really like the lace color that I got this time, but anyway, let's get back into the video. This first gift, I think that is so cute, and I don't want to open it. I'm kind of scared to open it. Y'all probably hear them in the background, but I'm kind of scared to open it because what if it's a gag gift? It's like, wait a minute, there's something in there. It's probably some money because it's like really light. Cause look, it's like really light. So let me tilt the camera a little bit. Woo!
You might have to have some old pants.
He boo boo.
No, he took mashed potatoes, whack them on his pants.
Okay, so I'm back. I had to go get him pants for his mashed potatoes. I mean more pants because he put mashed potatoes on them. But let's get back to this gift. I don't even know how to open this. So, open it like this. Paper is so cute. Oh, baby, it's a pressure. Maybe some pressure in this box. Okay, applying pressure. Let's see what you is. I don't know, like, open cute, but whatever. You know, I got just like 4 gifts. I'm so excited because I thought I was gonna get nothing. Because last year I literally got nothing. Oh my goodness, this is so hilarious. My mama is so funny. It's a gag gift, but it's a gift. Okay, so apparently it's a purchase order from my air fryer, and it says it's on the way, and it's a big one, y'all. It's the one I wanted. I'm excited, but I'm just, it's so funny. I knew it was a gag gift, but this is so funny. Okay, next gift. Oh my goodness, I hate gag gifts, but it was funny. And it was left so pretty. I took all my time on it. Okay, I have something from Walmart. It says it's from Braylon. That's my baby, y'all. He won. I know he didn't order this, but it's the thought that counts. My baby bought me something. I should bring a knife or something. Can y'all see it? Okay, I was just saying I needed some of these because I don't be want to use my microphone. I was just saying the other day. Oh, wait. I forgot about this. I was just saying the other day about. Let me move the camera back. Oh, y'all see that ring light. Okay, so I was just saying the other day about I needed some AirPods because I don't want to set my microphone up all the time because it's big and bulky and I have to take it everywhere and it's like a hassle. AirPods make it easier. And I got some! I'm glad they didn't get the pros because I don't want that. They too big. My next gift. I'm gonna use this for a thumbnail. This is from Mommy. This is some cute wrapping paper. It has glitter all over it. It's so cute. Oh, and it smells so good. Did they spray something on it or is there something scented in it? Either way you go, I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. Okay. I think this is a shirt. I'll probably open like one more thing because I don't want the video to be too long. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a crop sweater. This is one more thing. Okay, well, this is one more thing in my box of goodies. So let's see what the goodies.
It was at this moment.
You're trying to get me lit.
He fucked up.
Girl, you trying to get me lit. Girl. Trying to get me lit. Let me open this all the way up. It's legit. I approve this message. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Where do you get this from? This is hard to find. And yes, I have to go to court for work. I'm really gonna be working all day today, but I'm gonna take a few pictures. And I'm not gonna really do too much vlogging today because I have to go to court and I have to be at work all day today on my birthday. But I might do like a quick little birthday haul because my stuff came in. My stuff came in from Lovely Wholesale. I'm finna see if it's like good or not. And I'm scared because my birthday dress is supposed to be in there for this weekend. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Let's see how this gonna turn out.